Hi, Sunila here. Today I am making Afghani chicken in gravy. Ingredients for the green masala: 2 big onions sliced, 7 green chilies, 15 garlic cloves, 3-inch size ginger, coriander leaves 1 cup, soaked cashew nuts 15. Grind all these ingredients together and keep it aside. For chicken marination, I have taken chicken thigh and legs 1 kg, green masala paste, curd 300 gram, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, white pepper powder 2 teaspoon, fenugreek leaves 1 teaspoon, salt, lemon juice 1 small, fresh cream. It's a 240 ml pack. I have used 1/3 of the cream for the marination and keep the remaining aside. Now mix everything together. Cover it and keep it in refrigerator for 1 hour. Heat 2 tablespoons ghee and 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Shallow fry the marinated chicken pieces and keep aside the remaining marination mix. We can use that later. When one side is cooked, turn and fry the other side too. The chicken is cooked well. We'll take out the chicken and keep it aside. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 2 cardamom, 3 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick. Add the leftover mix from the marination. Stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the raw smell goes. Now add 1 cup of water. And the fried chicken into this paste. Cook till the gravy is thick. Then add the remaining fresh cream. Cook for a minute. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Our delicious Afghan chicken is ready. Serve hot with naan, chapati, kubus or with rice. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.